You already are that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. The problem with trying to manifest someone is that in your attempt to manifest them, you're currently acknowledging that you lack them. The physical world is a true reflection of your state of being, of your self-concept. So when you practice a technique in order to get someone, what was your motivation? From which state of being was this intention born in? This action came about from your awareness of lack. It certainly did, because otherwise you wouldn't be trying to manifest them. Instead of trying to get someone or get your ex back or whatever the situation may be, why not instead simply be the person who already has them in your life? Why not try seeing yourself as their partner? Why not rewrite your self-concept, rewrite your identity, your character in this world to include them in it, and then simply be? If this is too difficult or too uncomfortable or too unbelievable for you to properly assume, then maybe you could try simply assuming that you're more similar to the person that you would be were you to have your ideal in your life. Maybe you could try assuming that you are their type, whatever that may be. You could try assuming that you are an eligible candidate for them. What do I mean by this? Well, I'm about to lull you into a little mini guided meditation, because perhaps if I can help you to feel what I am trying to get you to feel, you'll understand it more. So, for a moment, let's just pretend that you have the love of your specific person now in your life. What's their name? Your specific person. What is their name? Let's assume right now that your SP loves you and you two have been in a strong relationship for the last 10 months. And where other relationships may lose their passion and their luster, you and this person are just growing more and more devoted to each other. It's to the point now where you could say you know what the other is thinking. It's a very intimate connection. Your SP is devoted to you, and you're devoted to them too. Let's just sit here for a moment and allow ourselves to assume this is your reality. This is real. Let's just daydream about this together. You and this person are a solid couple. How do you feel? Don't you feel loved? Don't you feel secure? Don't you feel caressed, held, supported? Isn't there a subtle confidence present within you? Don't you feel desirable, desired, and wanted? Can you feel how certain you two are and how solid you are? Do you feel comfortable here in this state of being? Doesn't this feel good? Doesn't this feel right? Let's just marinate ourselves in this daydream for a little while. You have just become the version of you who has your SP. It's really that simple. Return to this state of being as often as you can if you can't consistently persist in it. To be clear, I am not discouraging the use of techniques. In fact, what we just did could be described as one. We lightly visualized and we used words to soothe ourselves into a feeling state. Methods are amazing tools and should be used regularly if needed. All I'm trying to do is challenge your motivations for relying on methods and techniques. There's a fine line between scripting to get your ex back and scripting to induce a feeling state of already having your ex back. Because when you are in the state of being of already having your ex back, when you see yourself as the woman or the man who always gets the one you want, all of your actions, all of your feelings, all of your thoughts will be expressions of this assumption. There will be expressions of this certainty, and that is what we call alignment. There is a difference here that we must notice when intentionally choosing our lives, and it is so critical that it could be the difference between success right now or success later. I normally try my very best to be loose and fluid with my personal advice, and for the first time probably ever, I'm going to just say what I have to say very clearly. Do not focus on manifesting things. Your work is to become the person who has already manifested the thing in your thoughts, in your feelings, and your actions, by the way you see yourself and carry yourself. Create the environment that allows for the thing to enter. Stand firmly in the state of being where the thing is given liberally, and that is all you should be focused on when manifesting. Becoming the version of you who lives as though it's already yours. So use techniques, but use them for this purpose, to aid you in becoming the person who already has what you want. Visualization is wonderful for this. It helps you in getting a first-person view of what it would be like were you to already have this thing in your life. You get to observe how you'd talk and how you'd walk. You get to feel how you would feel were your desire now a physical reality for you. But when you come out of this moment, carry it with you. That is assumption. And as we've previously discussed in this video, prayers to be successful must be claimed and appropriated. Appropriated. Linger on that word. Scripting. When you script, use this technique for the purpose of moving you into closer vibrational alignment with the you that already has the adoration of your beloved. And when you achieve that resonance and that harmony, be content with it. The physical equivalent is following your vibrational shift, your shift of your state of being, the new definition of your self-concept. I keep throwing different words at you, hoping that one may stick. Simply dare to assume you are what you want to be, and you will compel everyone to play their part. I love that. Dare to assume. I've always explored all areas of self-development. Like so many of us, we don't just solely focus on the area of manifestation. There is value found in other philosophies and in the teachings of others who don't just study the law of attraction and or assumption. There is a video I watched recently from Art of Improvement on mediocrity, and in this video there was a quote that I immediately resonated with for its clarity and its truth. A light Google search led me to the author of this quote, Bill Walsh. Winners act like winners before they're winners. The culture precedes positive results. Sounds like an LOA way to say a change of circumstance happens as a result of a change in your state of consciousness. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. So, how did you like today's video? And what video would you like to see next? You'll let me know in the comment section down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles.